We also have payout system improvement. Okay, we can already do Saturdays and Sunday payout. You need to activate your ID ATM card. So you can activate that with this process flow. Okay, easily. You can easily apply for that. By the way, kailangan mo dalawang ating ATM. One BDO and one ID ATM. Yung BDO, you can cash Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay? And then pag Friday, you can use the ID ATM. Pag na-cash ka ng Friday, makukuha mo ng Saturday. Pag na-cash ka ng Saturday, makukuha mo ng Sunday. Okay. So we are the only company right now that can offer 24/7, 7 days a week, really daily payout. So there's some process to follow. Next, easily, you can just put there the account number next, yung iBayan card mo, and say you're successful. You will also receive a text pag inactivate mo yung ID ATM card mo using your Globe and your TM SIM card. Next. Okay. This coming March, we're going to start this coming March of our Saturday and Sunday payout. Watch out for more directives from our Facebook account. Next.